Very quick little update here. So last time talked about the kind of general design of this thing and how I want it to work. We've got like a home screen, a game perf. One that I didn't draw out would be like user settings. And then the games are kind of separated from the core functionality. And so I talked a little bit about, what I initially thought the structure of the project would look like, and then kind of the communication, like the actual game communication. And so this is my project directory. I named it Game Time because I am creative. And this is what we got. So I'll move this guy over here. And so basically, this is kind of it. So we have our different screens, game perf, home screen, user settings, and then a few kind of JSON files that we'll write to, just to, keep up with the data that you need. And let's see, I need to add. Let me add this friends.json. Yeah. So then friends.json will be how you store your friends and keep up with messages with them and stuff. So all the games live in the games directory. The intent here is that they're like fully encapsulated. So each game is fully encapsulated, and the goal, or the hope at least, is that when you implement a new game for Game Time, you don't actually have to change any of the outer functionality. All of the logic is encapsulated in the game. And so that's that. From there, the only other directories in the project are the tests, which I'll build out. I've got it centralized. At first, I thought I should probably have tests in each of the game's folders, but I don't know. I feel like it's easier to maybe manage down the line if they're all in one spot. And then this proto DM directory, and this is the functionality for this. And depending on how hard this part is, I've had multiple friends say just start with a central server. Depending on how hard this part is, it might be its own thing completely. Getting this to work will be very interesting. And so that's that. More to come on all of this. But this is the general structure. Really just wanted to give a quick update. If you all see anything where you're like, yo, this looks rough, please tell me. All right, so that's that. Talk to you soon.